Welcome, my name is XIAOMI Mi 10, and today I will show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So to get started, let's open up Settings, and from here scroll down to Password and Security and choose Fingerprint Unlock. Now if you have already some kind of PIN pattern or password set, you will need to confirm it here. So I do, as you can see. Okay, got it. And I can scan my finger. Now, if you don't have any kind of PIN pattern password added, it will prompt you to add one before you can actually add a fingerprint. So now let's just start scanning the finger. Yeah, there we go, done. And that's it. Once you add it and click on done, you're finished. Now you can lock the device and use the unlock with the fingerprint to basically gain access instantly to your device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.